Give me about 10 minutes and I will show you how you can make money on YouTube, even if you have a full-time job, home to look after, family to take care of. You can still do it in a lazy and simple way. I will show you not just the results that you can achieve, but how to get there and the exact steps you need to take, even if you don't have any experience with YouTube. And most importantly, I will show you multiple ways so you can do it on your own terms, whether you want to use a personal YouTube channel or faceless YouTube channel, whether you want to involve affiliate marketing, sponsorships, brand deals, or you don't want to do any of that, that's fine. I have been on YouTube for almost 5 years and I have done it in multiple ways and I'm still doing it. So this is my latest adventure, this personal channel, and you are one of the first ones who get to see its journey. So why am I on YouTube and why YouTube? I will be completely honest with you and just tell you straight from the bat, it's for the money. I am in UK, I wasn't born here, but you feel free to let me know where are you watching from, comment it down below. In the UK, life is stressful and it can be hard and it can feel like constant running. Like you are running, like you are chasing after money, you have commitment, you have work, you have family, and in the end of the day, you're still struggling to meet the ends. And that's the feeling I don't want to return back to. And additionally to that, if you have ever feel like you don't fit somewhere, like there is no dream job that you want to do, or even if you have been given opportunities to study, like I had opportunity to study, I didn't know what I want to study. There has never been a dream job profession that I want to do it. So if you feel like you don't fit anywhere, there might be something more for you, and there is definitely something more that you can do on your own terms. I don't want to stretch this intro too much, but your overall success will depend on two things, and one will be believing in yourself. So the belief that you can actually do more. And I have to give a credit where it's due. Without my best friend, without my husband Austin, that wouldn't be possible. He always been the one who believes in himself and believes in me, that each of us individually and combined together we can do more. And it took him years to convince me that I can actually do more and start believing in myself. And I still believe that I believe in myself only a tiny portion of what he sees in me or what I can potentially do. So you need to believe in yourself, or you need somebody who believes in you and pushes you out from that comfort zone. And I'm here for you. So if you need that person who will be telling you that you can do it and how to get out of that comfort zone, I can be that person for you, and eventually you will get there. I remember vividly the point. It was after the years I know Austin, and we lived together and we get married and we started our family. It took him years to convince me. And I remember the point being in a clothing warehouse here in the UK, doing the first shift in my agency job, manual handling job, where I had to put some clothing garments on the conveyor belt. That belt was constantly moving and I had to really focus not to get motion sickness from that constant movement, scanning the clothing, putting on that line. And then the penny dropped and I felt like, yeah, he is right. I can do more and there is more. And I remember coming home and telling him, you broke me, because now I understand what you are talking about. And we didn't land it on the YouTube straight, so there was a long journey in between, but that's for another video. Now the second part is to actually do it and take action. As much as boring that might sound, you cannot simply just join the gym, have the workout plan, and then don't go in and don't start lifting those dumbbells and expect the results. It won't happen. And the same applies on YouTube. You do need to take action, not just watch videos like this and not just consume content, but actually start producing the videos. So believe in yourself and start taking action. So these are the first two things that you need to get into before we even go into the practical steps on how to get you going. Now, where do you start? First of all, you start with yourself. So this will apply if you want to do the personal channel, but you can also use it on a faceless one, and you start with yourself. What are the things that you are good at, what you have overcome, what advice your friends are asking you about, knowing that you are good on that particular topic. Now, if you cannot think of anything, that's not a problem. I can get you started anyway, but that's where you start. Is there anything that you can pull out from your own experience? If not, by all means, the quickest and easiest way to make money on YouTube is by starting faceless YouTube channel in high CPM niche. And I'm about to guide you through all the practical steps that you need to take. Now, step number 1 is to dedicate 1 hour per day. So look on your daily routine. What are you doing now? Where do you see any potential gaps where you can use that time to start your YouTube channel? If you cannot block out at least 1 hour per day, and at the beginning it might take a little bit longer, so you will not be able to produce one video in 1 hour, but if you are following the strategy that I'm about to show you, you will get there. You will find your own workflow and you will be able to produce and generate at least one video per day during 1 hour. So right now, sit down and just think, where is that 1 hour I can block out every single day to actually start? So that's step number 1. Even if you have to split it into chunks and you have half an hour in the morning, then maybe you have another half an hour later on in afternoon, that's absolutely fine. But you actually need to have a time and that commitment to commit to use this time every single day. Now, step number 2 will be to pick a high CPM niche. So if you are doing faceless channel, there is no need for you to just pick random topics and start making videos. You want to make sure that your CPM is as high as possible. So I will leave the link in this video description where you can access my list of the tested and proven to be high CPM niches that you can start your faceless channel with. Now, step number 2 would be to set up your channel. And ideally, I would always recommend finding the name that you can later also secure the domain name, and that will be your overall brand name. But if you are short on a budget and you just want to start right now, don't worry about that. You can also find alternatives and you can figure it out later on along the way. But step number 2 then is to setting up the channel. So go to Google account and set up your YouTube channel, set up the artwork, write a tiny bit of a description. Again, don't overthink it and don't overcomplicate it. Just set up your channel based on the niche that you have selected. Now, the next step number 4 is to search and find out some topics, some video ideas, some potential titles, things that you can make videos about. And there are several options how you can do it. You can just straight go to the YouTube itself, start typing some related keywords in your niche and see the auto suggestions, or simply just hit on a search and see what are the videos that are performing well and where you can potentially start. You do not have to reinvent the wheel. You can see the things that are already working on YouTube. You can also head to AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini and ask for some topic ideas in particular niche. If you can afford it, we always recommend to subscribe for vidIQ tool. You will also be able to discover your competitors, trending videos, keywords, topics using the vidIQ as well. Again, if you are short on a budget, you can just use the free vidIQ extension that will show you outlier videos on YouTube, and you will see the well-performing videos in your niche, based on the subscribers count for that channel, how many views the video is still getting per hour, and how it's performing within the channel itself. So you can easily spot relatively small channels and the videos that are doing well. Now, next step, once we have some topics and ideas, would be then to write the script for your video. And again, you have several options to do it. You can do it yourself if you can, but that will be time consuming, and I generally don't recommend that in these days anymore. Number 2 is you can use free tools like, again, ChatGPT or Gemini. I have done some ready ready-made prompts that you can use with the AI tools for writing. Again, there will be a link in the description. You can just go ahead and grab these prompts and using these tools. And then the third option that I use most commonly is video to blog.ai tool. So how it works is you simply find a video on YouTube that you want to use as your reference, as your inspirational video. Copy the URL of that video, paste in video to blog.ai, and it will give you a unique script. So this script will be taken from the transcription of this video. So it will contain the same kind of structure and information that is there, but it will not be direct transcription. And then you can still go ahead and, make some tweaks and changes. So essentially this tool is producing blog articles. So even if you have done your own video, you can then use it to repurpose your YouTube video into the blog article, but we can use it in a smarter way by creating unique scripts based on the well-performing videos in our niche. Next, once we have done our script, we need to get the voiceover done. And again, there are a couple of options you can do it. So the free version would be, you can of course record your voiceover yourself. Again, time consuming and generally not recommended. You can clone your voice in 11 Labs and use your voice to generate the voiceovers. It will take you a couple of seconds. You can also choose any of the voices in 11 Labs from the large library that they have from professional sounding voices. So there will be people who have cloned their voices, so therefore these voices sound as human. You can also have a free option using a CapCut free tool called text to voice. There are several voices you can use there as well, or you can use the voices that comes into the Pictory.ai video editor subscription, and that's the next step. So we recommending editing your videos by using a Pictory.ai. It's really quick, simple and easy. All you need to do is upload your script, then you can upload the voiceover, or you can use the voiceover that they have in build. So they have some voices from 11 Labs. You won't have access to the full library. There will be some more standard voices that you can use, but that's of course as well option. And it can make your total video production more cost efficient if you're using that option. And speaking about that, if you use our link in the video description and the discount code, you can get 20% off from any premium plan on Pictory for the lifetime of your subscription. And Pictory is the tool that we are using most commonly for all our faceless YouTube channels, just because of how cost efficient and simple and fast is to produce videos by using it. So it automatically matches your script to the scenes, to the stock footage available on their own library, and then all you need to do is just review if you are happy and download the video, and that's it. Your video is done. Then you would need to go to YouTube, upload the video, do all the packaging. That would be video title, a description, the thumbnail, and schedule your video to become live. And that's it. You repeat this process for 30 days by spending roughly 1 hour per day, maybe a bit more at the beginning. But as I said, you will get into your own workflow and it won't take you more than an hour to produce that one faceless video. And then all you need to do is to believe in yourself and act on it and stay consistent for at least 1 month. So that is our general recommendation. If you are able to post one faceless video per day for the 30 days in a row, you will see results. Whether you will get monetized and start making money, or at least you will have enough data on your channel that you can then use, make improvements, and you will succeed. As an extra motivational or inspirational example, let me show you one of our faceless YouTube channels. So we were posting for almost a month without seeing any results, and then suddenly one video took off, and after that, during the next 5 months, that channel made us over $40,000 just on AdSense revenue alone. But we always sell our own digital products and have some brands and sponsorships linked to the channel as well, so the total amount was even more. But as you can see, that one video, we could have given up one video before, and that's it. and we will have just leave that channel and the channel would be dead. But we didn't. And those 30 days on average are the ones that will determine of what you need to do, whether you just need to continue going if it's already performing well, or then the changes that you can make, how you can adjust to succeed in the end of the day anyway. And if you will believe in yourself, if you continue acting and taking a lot of action on repeat and getting better and better with every video, you will succeed. Now, if you are interested of seeing more in-depth tutorials about each of these steps on how to produce these videos, there will be the link in this video description. You can join my free community on school, and I hope to see you there.